Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I have another gorgeous collection from MJ Lacquer, and this is an indie maker that is fairly new to the game, but I have swatched several of her polishes, some of her collections, and she is coming out of the gate hot, y'all. So this collection is called Honey, I Need More Polish collection. And just in case, you guys don't really understand, some of us that have the polish addiction, we always say things that our husbands are always questioning us, or they ask us things. So I'm going to run through the names real quick, and then I'm going to hop on into swatching. We've got Multi-What? Multi-Chrome, of course. And then we've got Holo What? Another Holo? What's a Crelly? Another Crelly? You already have a thermal. And then what's a thermal? And then finally we've got, you already have a brown. How many of you ladies have ever heard this? Any of these? So these will be going up for sale on Saturday, May 23rd at 12:01 a.m. All of the polishes on her website will be on sale for 15% off from May 23rd until May 31st at 11:59 p.m. No code needed. The discount will be taken at the checkout. So I'm going to get on into the swatching. Alrighty, we're going to pop in with our first coat of Multi-What? And this is a Kiwi Rose Duochrome with UCC and color shifting red, gold, and green flakies. This one is so unusual. It's kind of breathtaking. It's different. The pop on this one's just stunning. I mean, there you have a swatch photo of it on its own with nail art, and then we have a macro shot. Next up, we've got Holo What? And this is a purple-based holographic with lavender, galaxy, hollow micro glitter, and pink, green, and gold crystal chameleon flakies. This is a favorite. I mean, I love all of these polishes, but this one is just definitely a favorite of mine. It's so gorgeous. So this one, all of these polishes have a great formula. I really didn't struggle with any of them. So here is Holo What on its own with some nail art and then a macro shot. Next we've got another Holo. Another Holo? This one is gorgeous. It's a turquoise base holographic with color shifting and crystal chameleon flakies and UCC mega flickies. Got a lot going on in there, and this formula was just perfection. So smooth. No problems at all. Well, I mean, you got to watch those flakies trying to jump off the end, but, that's not a problem, right, ladies? And here's a swatch photo of it on its own with a little bit of nail art, and then we've got one of those macro shots. Ugh. Next up, we've got What's a Crelly? And this one is a red glitter Crelly with mixed red holographic glitters. It's also got, like, all kinds of other colored glitters in it. I'm seeing blue and I think yellow. I really like this one. And it's just lovely, lovely. I'm starting to really fall in love with these Crelly mixes. I love when you do nail art over it. It just really pops. Oh, there's a green one too. Isn't that gorgeous? All on its own with a little nail art. Love it. And there's that macro shot. So next up, we've got another Crelly. And this is a white base with mermaid and sapphire galaxy hollow glitters along with some aurora shimmers. And you get the shimmer in this one. It doesn't just hang out in the bottle. It pops off onto the nail too. It's really, really pretty. Just chocked full. I mean, you don't have to go fishing for nothing or anything. It's just there. There we go. Oh, make sure I don't got anything sticking off the end. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own with a little nail art and then the macro shot. And next up, we've got, this is you already have a thermal, and I did these out of order because I got them mixed up, but this is, you already have a thermal. It's a magenta base thermal, which transitions to colorless when warm. This one also has a sprinkle of violet, pink, and gold UCC flakies. This one is really cool when that thermal thing kicks in and you've got that clear. It's so stunning. I mean, I love this. This is my jam right here. There it is on its own with a little nail art and up close and personal. And next we have, what's a thermal? This one is an orange when it's cold to yellow when it's warm thermal. It's got crystal chameleon and platinum silver flakies in it. This one is just so crazy pretty. I really do think that I should have done 3 coats on this one to do it justice. There are 3 coats on my macro shots, so you'll get to see what 3 looks like. But I love this one regardless. I don't mind seeing no visible nail line at all. It's stunning. Look at that. Candy corn, almost. And I got water on my nails. They're not funky or lumpy. I just want you to know. And finally we have, you already have a brown. And this is a brown holographic base with micro hollow glitters. It's got some of those crystal chameleon flakies and metallic gold flakies in it. It's really, really pretty. The macro shot on this one will show you how much goodness is off in this one. I'm telling you, she's hitting these balls out of the ballpark. It's just stunning. Amazing collection. So like I said, I will have links down below. Please don't go forget to check them out. And she's got a 20% off deal, so that's lovely. So here we go. Here are the supplies I used. Lena Twirls and Swirls 01. I used Maniology's, hang on a second, Heart of Gold and Pewter, as well as Maniology's Shibori and Beauty Big Bang 001 and Braves Diva Game Over and Shutout, as well as this Born Pretty Purple Metallic, and the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat and Seche Vite, as well as Pro FX Quick Dry and the Nail Hoot Peel Off. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.